Want to try it?
Oh, absolutely. Let's do it. It's going to be wet at the bottom, but you just got to keep on the throttle. Yeah. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. You ain't kidding, it is definitely slick. I need to get that hockey tape again for my lever. It's a nice long hill climb. Ooh, nice stick right there. I didn't see that one right there.
Yeah, so there's like the top of the hill.
There's a new spot we're checking out, guys. Gonna see what's up. Pretty decent little grade here. The Yep.
Oh yeah, that's where I went.
That's a nice hill though, man.
Want to try it?
Oh, absolutely. Let's do it. It's going to be wet at the bottom, but you just got to keep on the throttle.
Yeah, I just stepped on the throttle.
Yep, left on, keep on the throttle and you're good. Try second gear, lug up it. Yeah. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Oh, I love these. Actually, nice little hump there. Nice little hop over that. Yeah. Oh, I needed to ride again. It's been 2 weeks, man. It's just been too long. Way too long. Stuck in my helmet. I'm not sure how. It likes to do that. It likes to stick in my helmet. See, this all looks like. This does look like trails here. We might encounter a hunter back here. He had that branch just stick to him. He's not kidding. That is a... I do see a sign there. That's funny though. That's funny, man. That's like an old garden. How the hell did they get that back? Those some bitches are heavy.
It's like old lady's concrete one, right?
Yeah, man. Them shits are heavy.
Yeah, so it goes up here, but I think it just loops around. And I went in right through here, and that's when the guy was giving me shit.
I cleared the log out of the way. No more log in the way. That's funny. That's why I put that visor down. That thing just actually hit me in my eyelid. A little bit of dry dirt. Never hurt nobody. A little bit of water, I guess. Yeah, look at that.
That's a hell of a tree.
That looks like a lawnmower.
Oh, yeah.
That is a hell of a tree. You are not kidding. And that looks fairly recent because look at the color of the inside of it.
Yeah, it's real light.
We'll go straight this way. Just straight. Snapped that one. That tree just crumpled. I must be sweating because when I drop my visor down, either that or could be condensation actually from my mouth. I didn't think of that. Every time I flip my visor down, I get sprayed with liquid. And I'm not sweating, so it's got to be condensation because it can't be sweat. I almost feel like I would want to ride, you know. Just bomb it. Bomb it. Bomb it. Now we got this in between the tree trunk there. Slippery. It's like, again, it's like a watershed there. So it's like, the nice thing is though, is it's not like paste mud, if you know what I mean. It's just, it's moist mud, but it's like cake batter. It's like cake batter. I'm gonna go around that tree right there. Sorry guys if I keep tilting my camera on you. I'm just trying to bob and weave away from it because I don't have my goggles on right this second. And a little bit more finicky with, because those trees like that, they like to get stuck underneath my sunshade drop down on this helmet and they rub across my face. So So there was a hunter blind here somewhere originally. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty open. It might be like a mud pit though, but you can definitely get in between them. There you go. That's a tight spot. Woo. You got it. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Now let's hop this. Yeah. That son of a bitch is huge. You got to be Graham Jarvis to hop that.